If you are watching this video, this message is for you. Maybe you are tired, broke, or feeling lost, but remember, your life is not bad because of your situation. It's bad because of your daily habits. Most people desire success, money, and a better life, yet many shy away from the discipline required to achieve those goals. Success doesn't stem from fleeting motivation or shortcuts, it comes from consistent, disciplined actions in your daily routine. Understanding the difference between a poor mindset and a rich mindset is crucial. A poor mindset tends to spend money first and save later, while a rich mindset prioritizes saving before spending. Additionally, those with a poor mindset often watch TV after work, whereas those with a rich mindset invest that time in learning new skills. The key takeaway is that the way you think can significantly alter the trajectory of your life. If you genuinely want to change your life, start with these 5 actionable steps. Wake up early, read books, learn a high income skill, stop wasting time on social media, and begin saving and investing your money. Just by committing to these 5 habits for the next 6 months, you can witness a profound transformation in your life. One day, you'll come to the realization that time is far more valuable than money and that no one is coming to save you. You must take charge of your own life. Smart individuals don't wait for that epiphany. They act on it today. Remember, your friends, job, city, and life can all change, but nothing will improve until you decide to change. So start today. Begin improving yourself, learning, working hard, saving, and building the future you desire. If you're seeking success, money, freedom, and a better life, subscribe to this channel as it's dedicated to helping you transform your life.